Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to crochet a scrunchie. So for this scrunchie I'm going to use this rubber band of yellow color and crochet hook of 3.5 millimeter and a pink color yarn, a baby pink color yarn. So these are the three things I'm going to use. Let's get into the video, guys. So now to start, just take the yarn like that and make a simple knot with your fingers. Just make a simple knot with your fingers, just like that. Just make a simple knot like that. Tighten it. So now put the hook inside the rubber band, pull the yarn like that and make a slip stitch. And now chain 1. And now we'll hide the end yarn with single crochets. Hide the end yarn with single crochets. So make one single crochet, make sure you just hide the yarn like that, and now make the second single crochet, the second single crochet. Now the third single crochet, and fourth single crochet, and fifth single crochet. So guys, this one is a pattern for round 1, that is single crochets throughout the round. Make 36 single crochets. I'll meet you at the end of the round. So guys, I made 36 single crochets throughout the rubber band. And now go to the first single crochet over there. First single crochet over there, put the hook on top of the first single crochet, on top of the first single crochet. Just insert the hook and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, and make a slip stitch. So this one is the round 1. And now to begin with round 2, chain 1 and 2. This one actually counts as one double crochet, and now add one double crochet in the next stitch. So this one is the second double crochet. Chain 2 counts as first double crochet. So now we are with the third double crochet. So we have 3 double crochets over here. Chain 2 counts as one double crochet, and now with the fourth double crochet in the next stitch, again the fifth double crochet in the next stitch, the sixth double crochet in the next stitch, So continue to make double crochets on each stitches throughout the round. On each stitches throughout the round. I'll meet you at the end of the round. So guys, I just completed some double crochets, and now I'm at the last double crochet. So yarn over and just insert the hook at the space over there, and grab the yarn and make a one double crochet, so that we get 36 double crochets. And now go to the top of chain 2, just insert the hook and grab the yarn and just make a slip stitch. So guys, we are done with round 2 with double crochets, 36 double crochets. And now to begin with round 3, chain 3, and now skip the next stitch and go to the second stitch, skip the middle stitch. This is the chain 3. Skip the next stitch and go to the very next stitch over there. Insert the hook and make a slip stitch. Grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now again at the same stitch, chain 3, skip one stitch and go to the next stitch over there and make one and make a slip stitch and make a slip stitch. So at the same stitch make 3 chains. So now again skip the next stitch and go to the very next stitch. Chain 3, skip the next stitch and go to the very next stitch over there. Insert the hook and make a slip stitch. And at the same stitch over there make chain 3, again with the same pattern. Skip the next stitch and to the very next stitch over there insert the hook and make a slip stitch and chain 3. So this one is a pattern, that is this one is a pattern for the round, that is with chain 3. Skip one stitch, at the very next stitch you have to make one slip stitch and chain 3. So guys, I just completed the round 3. So this is how it looks at the edge, the corner of the rounds. So now I'm at the last stitch. So chain 3 and go to the space over there. Just insert the hook and grab the yarn and just make a slip stitch. So just fasten off the yarn. So this is how it looks. It is a simple scrunchie. Fasten off the end yarn and hide the end yarn, guys. This is how it looks. The last round, it means the textured rubber band. I mean the finishing is the textured one. So guys, fasten off the yarn with the scissors, with a pair of scissors. Fasten off the end yarn with a pair of scissors and just hide it. So guys, I just completed the scrunchie. This is how it looks with single crochet, double crochet, and the textured part at the end. So this is a simple scrunchie guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment box. Thank you guys. Happy crocheting. Let me see you in my next video.